I'm John Alder for DIYPhotography.net. We're here on the Goodson stand to check out the Moza AirCross 2 with Sebastian.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So Sebastian, hi. Tell us about the Moza AirCross 2.
Yeah, so the AirCross 2 is a new gimbal in the range, and it's meant for smaller mirrorless cameras, same as you can see like the Blackmagic or any Sony or Panasonic mirrorless camera with some new and cool features. Like Inception mode, you have the possibility to control the gimbal over your phone with the mimic mode, as we call it. So basically the gimbal copies all the movements you make with your phone.
Right. So it's like a gyro. So
it uses the gyro and the accelerometer of the phone.
So this can take the Pocket 4K just fine without any kind of cage or offset plate?
Exactly, yeah. As you can see it here, the camera sits on there without any cage, but from the weight capacity and the maximum that the gimbal can take, there's still room for things like the cage or the external hard drive. So it can even take some more accessories on there. The only thing I would be careful with is that if you want to take a bigger lens, then obviously this gimbal has a limit of 3.2 kilos payload, so you need to know what you're going to put on there before you basically buy a gimbal or before you start filming.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can also mount this vertically, can't you?
That's correct.
Could you show us that real quick?
Yeah, very easy. Just going to switch it off, and you just release the Arca Swiss plate here, and you turn around the camera, put it in here like this. Obviously it needs some balancing, but like this you're able to film your 4K raw Instagram stories.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's available in two colours, white and black?
Yes, white and black, exactly.
And what's the price on these?
This is €459.
Okay, and that's just for the gimbal, batteries, what else comes
Correct. It comes with the iFocus M, the smaller iFocus motor that needs to be connected to the gimbal.
Right, and you can get a second one of these, can't you? So you can do focus and
yes,
zoom?
you can connect two follow focus motors onto the gimbal, so you can control focus and zoom.
Brilliant, brilliant. And are these shipping now?
It's shipping now, that's correct, yes.
Brilliant, brilliant, fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Sebastian. I'm John Alder for DIYPhotography.net. That was Sebastian. That was the Moza AirCross 2. We're going to keep looking around IBC and see what else we can find. We're giving away $5,000 worth of cinema goodies, so check the link in the description below for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.